One of the most fundamental geometries of AutoCAD is line. You can make a line by clicking on this line icon on Draw panel of Home tab. You can also type L on command line or LINE short for line and press enter to initiate line command. Once your command starts, you can click anywhere on the screen to start this rubber bending line and click at the next point. And you can keep on clicking at successive intervals to make your line. To exit this line command, you can press enter. Now let's erase this. You can also make these lines using direct length entry. Select line, click anywhere on its screen, specify a direction. Right now I'm specifying this direction and enter the length. Right now I have entered a length of 5 units and press enter. So now this line is of length 5 units. Let's specify this as the direction and enter a length of 3 units and press enter. And here we have a line of length 3 units. So in this way you can make lines of specific lengths as well. You can also make line using specific coordinates. Right now I have made these 4 points at 4 specific coordinates. This one is 3, 1, this one 3, -1, this one -3, -1 and -3, 1. So now let's make a line that passes through all these points, or a rectangle that joins all these 4 points. So select line and enter a coordinate value of 3, 1 and press enter, and this will snap it to the first point. Now let's move on to the second point, and the coordinate value for second point is -3, 1 and press enter. Now to move on to this point, we need to enter coordinate values of this point. So this value is -3, -1 and press enter, and here it is, it snapped to that point. Now let's move on to this point. In order to move to this point, you need to enter its coordinate values, which is 3, -1 and press enter. To return back to the original point, you need to enter its coordinate, which was 3, 1 and press enter. So now here we have rectangle using coordinate values. You can press enter again to exit this command. In order to make a line at specific angles, you need to enter angle symbol on the command line. For example, if you want to make a line at an angle of 30 degrees with a length of 6 units, then select line command. Click on your drawing area to specify first point, or you can also pick a coordinate value. Right now I'm clicking on the drawing area to specify first point. Now in order to specify a specific angle, type angle on command line. You can find this angle symbol on the right side of M on your keyboard. Now type 30 on command line. This will tell AutoCAD to make an angle at 30 degrees and press enter. Now you'll see that this line gets logged at an angle of 30 degrees. Now enter the length of this line, which is 6 in this case, and press enter. And here we have a line of length 6 units at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to positive direction of x-axis. So this angle is measured from x-axis in an anti-clockwise direction.